Assalamualaikum to all dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today in this lesson we will learn how a teacher can assign homework on Citrix and how we can assign different assignments. So let's see. So first of all, you just have to open any browser, like I am opening Mozilla Firefox, and then here on the search bar you have to type citrix.portal. Okay, so then your main page will appear on your desktop, so you have to click on this option. Okay, so it will take you on this page. This is basically Citrix, your gateway to online learning. So here you just have to type your email address and then password. So I'm going to type my email address here. For example, let me type here this one. I will write the password. I will click on this option of login. So now this is the main interface which will appear on all your screens. So आपने अब सिंपली करना क्या है, जब भी आपने कोई होमवर्क कोई एक्टिविटी असाइन करनी है, you have to click on this option of online classwork. Okay, so here you will see a button with the name of add lecture. आपने इस पर क्लिक कर देना है add lecture पर, and then here you have to define or write your title. Like for example, my title is life cycle. Okay, so and in the below box you have to write the description here. Like for example, you can give any description for the students. Dear students, revise your unit by 5 and complete your assignment. Okay, you can write anything here. You can give instructions. You can give instructions. For example, they have to do the homework in the copy in the book, or they have to do the work in the soft form, like in the file of Microsoft Word, and then you have to. Okay, so now when you will click on this option of save, you will find this kind of interface will appear on your screen. The first thing you have to do, you just have to select the visibility, that when your assignment should be visible to the students or your audience. So I'm going to click on this option of show now, or you can also click on this option of show on date, like on which date it will be visible to automatically to your students. Like you can schedule your assignment, you can select your date. This is your 24-hour clock. So you, in this way you can set your time and date. So for this for now I'm going to click on this option of show now, and then here you can attach any your video. For example, if you have a video, I'm going to click on this option of browse, and here I will click it in videos, sample videos, and here wildlife video. So now video will start appearing on your screen, so it will take some time. So if you are uploading a very big video, so definitely it will take a lot of time. So it's better way to upload the link of your video. Like if you are using a video from the YouTube, then you can copy the link and paste the link in the file of Microsoft Word, and then you can attach that file in this folder. So for now I'm just going to click on this option of cancel. Okay, here you have to, you can attach your spotting documents. These documents can be your the file of Microsoft Word, your PowerPoint file, your Excel sheet, your any picture of your book or copy, whatever you want to insert, you can use this. So I'm going to click on this option of add spotting documents, and here you have to click on this option of browse. I will click on this option of browse, and here let me add some pictures related to life cycle. I will click on this option of document science water cycle. I will click on this and I will click open, and here you can also attach multiple documents. You, like for example, if you will click on this, a new tab will appear, bottom of your page. So you can click again on this option of browse. You can attach a picture. Okay, for example, I'm sorting this picture of jellyfish. Click on this option of save. So your documents will be saved to your file. Okay, it will take a little bit time. So if your internet speed is good, so you don't have to wait like I'm waiting right now. Okay, then when it will become saved, and if you want to delete a file, then you can click on this option of delete and you can delete the file. See, my files are uploading. This one is your image and this is your PowerPoint file, and then here you can also give your graded assignment. Like for example, you can click on this option of add assignment and you have to fill this form. So here you just have to write this option of your assignment. Like I will type here, this is the plant cycle of animals. Okay, and then here you have to type your assignment complete detail. You have to fill this form. Here you can type anything like this is related to your unit number 6, and you can tell any kind of detail or instruction whatever you want. So at the end you have to choose the option of graded or ungraded. I'm going to click on this option of graded. Total marks, your what kind of marks you want to give to your class. Like I will say these are marks are 25 and the passing marks are for example 20. Then you can also mention the due date of this assignment. You can choose the date or you can set the time, and then like on this time your assignment will be disappeared from your class. Okay, so next option is your allowed or not allowed. You can also choose the option of submission. Like if you want your late submission is also allowed, then you can click, otherwise you can click on this option of not allowed. Okay, visibility is show, like when you want to show your assignment now or you want to hide it. Like if you want to make some changes and then you want to show it, then you can click on this option. This is the option of sort assignment. For example, if you are giving them 2 or 3 assignments, so on which number it will appear on your assignment. So I'm going to give only one assignment, so I'm not going to click on this option of sort. Add more documents, click on this and browse a file. Like if you want to give a PDF file, if you want to give your anything. Okay, I'm going to click water cycle and you have to click on this option of save. And then as you can see, your option is assigned to your class. Passing marks is your 20 and your total marks are 25. Okay, and if you want to make changes in this assignment again, then you can click on this option of edit. You can change it or you can click on this option of save. Okay, so then we have one more option, that is new quiz. If you will click on this option of new quiz, you can give them quiz in the form of objective. For example, the title is life cycle. Okay, so passing marks for example is 5, and if you want to mention the due date of this objective based form, you can also select the time, date, etc. Okay, and then your option is show now. Visibility, this is very important, you should not forget this option of visibility. Then you have to add questions. Click on this option of add question and then here you have to type your question. For example, I will type here, how many stages a plant have? How many stages a plant have? Add then insert question mark because this is your question and write your options here. For example 5. 3, 2 or 4. You can add more options from this option, add option. If you don't want, then click on this option of delete, and here you have to tell the correct option. For example, this is the correct option. I will click on this option, and here you have to assign the marks. For example, if a student achieve the right answer, then it will assign 5 points, otherwise 0 marks. Okay, so click on this option of save. Okay, and at the end, if you want to add more questions, then you can click on this option of add question. Okay, otherwise I'm going to just click on this option of save. Okay, and then at the end you have to click on this option of assign to classes, like to which class you want to assign this lesson or your this form. Like I will click on this option of 5 blue and 5 green, and at the end click on this option of save. So when you will click on this option of save, so now your assignment or your lecture is added to your class, and this is assigned to your class, 5 green and blue. If you want to delete it, you can click on this option of delete, and your assignment will be deleted from all your class students of 5 blue or 5 green. If you want to make some changes, then you can click on this option of edit, and how this assignment will look in the interface of students. So आपने इस पर क्लिक करना है व्यू पर, और यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स को असाइनमेंट किस तरह से अपीयर होगी. सो दिस इज योर टॉपिक लाइफ साइकिल. So you have given some instructions here. Dear students, revise unit number 5 and complete your assignment. Students can download these files and save in their computer. Okay, they can also do the homework in their copy. And this is the assignment you have given to the student, plant cycle of animals. You can click on this option of download. So this is your PowerPoint file. Save your file in your desktop. So download your file. Okay, so in this way students can download the file, and then they will submit their assignment. So right now none of the students has submitted assignment to me. So if you want to give some message to your whole class, so then you can click on this option of messages. You can type your message here, click on this option of send, and your message will be visible to all your class. How many students are in your class, it will be visible to all of them. So this is the quiz you have assigned to your class. Like this is 0 submission, that means none of the students has attempted right now. Okay, so in this way we can assign the homework and class homework and assignment to the class. I will click on this option of back. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on this account of logout. Click on this drop down menu and click on logout.